Vanessa from Automate, and today we are going to be looking at another demo.
In this video, I'll show you how we helped one of our clients get more out of their YouTube content with automated LinkedIn posts. Now they save between 2 and 4 hours every week with an automation they have confidence in because they have control over what gets posted. This is a two-part AI automation. The first part starts off with plugging in the RSS feed from YouTube, but really this could also be any other blog or any other channel with a RSS feed. So this runs according to my client's schedule, for example, a few times a week. Then we have an AI agent that will understand the video content and write a post. This agent is trained according to the client's brand and voice, and will follow any specific instructions or rules that they have for LinkedIn posts. So, by the way, we spend a lot of time on this part of the process, tweaking the prompts and testing outcomes, and we do not switch the automation on until we're all happy with the agent's output. Next, we write to a database of sorts. This is really just a temporary place to store the agent's output until we need it again. Then we generate a unique link specific to this video. We need this because we built a custom HTML page to give a client a user-friendly view and an edit of the agent's post. The reason we build this step in is because we found that some clients are hesitant to just hand their content over to AI, and this preview of the post gives them a huge amount of confidence in the process. The next step is just a technical step that creates a unique link attached to an approve button that the client will press once they're happy to go ahead and post. We'll see this in the next few steps. The client is notified by email that a post has been created and is ready for their review and approval. You'll see here by this disconnected module that we also built a Slack message for this. It's a matter of preference. This specific client tested both and found that Gmail just works better for them. We'll have a look at this message in a bit. Let me just mention that we write all of this information to Google Sheets so that the client has a full record of everything. So this first automation runs. It literally takes a couple of minutes at most. The client receives an email or a Slack message with a link to view or edit the post. So they click the view edit link and it brings them to a simple page that looks something like this. Here they can review the post and make any tweaks. As I mentioned before, we train the agent well upfront, so these should just be tweaks and there should be no major changes to content at this stage. The client can preview it to get a better idea of what it will look like on the page. And then if they made any changes, they will need to save them. They close that and they go back to the email or message and press the approve button, which basically means that they're happy for the post to be automatically posted. Now this is when we get into the second automation. This automation runs according to the client's posting schedule, for example, every morning at 9 a.m. Here we have a webhook process, which is basically just the trigger from the approve button. Then we have some controls in place. These just ensure that none of the posts are duplicated by accident. This next step fetches the post information from the temporary storage so that it's ready to be passed to LinkedIn. Next, we use the info from the RSS feed to fetch the image that was used for the video. And finally, we pull all of this together and post to LinkedIn.